We have entered the phase of this project where there will be a lot of dust. The work on the new kitchen, kids zone and youth room is virtually done. We will continue to plaster and paint, and those spaces will be ready very soon. Work on the side of the new chapel is in full swing as we prepare the new load-bearing wall for the new roof structure over the ablutions. The big work that will cause considerable dust and some disruption is the work to swing a beam across the area where we currently have tea right across to the admin office. The beam needs roughly 3 weeks to settle before we load it with quite a bit of brick and glass. Once this is completed, you will enter the church and see high windows allowing light into the building. The front entrance walls will be clad, and there will be a cross lit up against the wall and visible through the glass entrance. There is extensive work on the front of the building as the new floors are poured for the offices and restrooms. After Easter, we will start breaking open the reception and foyer walls around the current tea station as we prepare for our new serving station, which will be in front of the new kitchen. Please continue to pray for the success of this project and the safety of every person that moves around the site through the week and on weekends.